Lead magnets can either make or break your high ticket offer. They're essential in not only lead nurturing, but also lead generation. We've run multiple campaigns for our clients that have been successful using this exact framework. This video is going to quickly show how you can build quality lead magnets quickly and effectively.
So this is how we use lead magnets in our own personal funnel. As you can see here, we drive ads straight to lead magnets and organic content. We post that on the following platforms, and then that has a CTA usually at the end of the video telling someone to download said lead magnet. Now, they're essential in our funnel process. It allows us to collect a ton of data. We only usually capture the email address on lead magnets. That allows us to keep our cost per lead incredibly low. And then once they go to the thank you page or once they download the lead magnet, the email series they receive following that is how we then capture even more data whilst keeping our cost per lead as low as possible. So to move into how you can actually create lead magnets, it's very, very simple. But before we do that, I want to jump into a bit of context for why they're important. Now, if you're doing outreach, which most of you should be for a high ticket offer, your conversation with a prospect starts and you're just jumping straight away, pitching your service, asking them if they want to schedule a time to speak for you. And then if they say no, it's basically over. Now, you're going to then label that lead as not interested, even though then what they were not interested in was speaking to you on a call. However, they would have been very interested in, let's say, for a fitness influencer on a fitness offer, in getting a free guide of how they can put on 10 kilogram of muscle over 3 months. They would have been very interested in that, but because you didn't lead with value, you're not going to get that. So essentially, if you have sales assets like lead magnets, obviously your conversation with the prospect starts. And again, you can even ask them if they do want to schedule a time to talk. And even if they say no, it doesn't matter because you have the backup. Have you checked out my lead magnet? I just wrote about how to solve X problem. Let me know what you think about it. And then again, this allows you to then hit them up again the next time you have another lead magnet or another asset. I'm hosting a live webinar here at Tuesday, 2 p.m., for example. So even aside from ads, the reason why lead magnets are so important and every person on our offer should have, at least minimum 5, ideally 15, is because just for assets, right? Just for your sales staff, it's going to be great. You can then run ads to all 15 of those lead magnets and they'll be cheap ads because you're only going after the email and then you collect the email using the system that I used later on, just before this right here. So let's delete all my drawings. Now, in terms of the framework that you want to be implementing when you are creating lead magnets, very simple 5-step framework that we follow. Super, super easy, guys. So first of all, introduction plus why they should listen to you. Then that's going to lead into what they need to do. Next, why they need to do it. After that, a step-by-step of how they can do it, and then examples. That is literally it, guys. You don't need to go on a long soliloquy of the full A to Z of your entire niche. It just needs to be hyper-specific and super intentional. So the easiest way for me to show you how you can think of ideas for your business is just to use my own as an example. Now, for Neovate, we have all these lead magnets here. How to create a high-ticket offer, how to make organic content that closes for a high-ticket offer, how to use paid advertising on a high-ticket offer, how to create a VSL for a high-ticket offer, how to choose the right funnel for your high-ticket offer, how to create a landing page for a high-ticket offer, how to pre-sell your high-ticket offer before the sales call, how to make an acquisition funnel for your high-ticket offer, how to use email marketing for a high-ticket offer, how to close sales calls on your high-ticket offers. Now, once you've got to this stage and you've identified essentially what the topic is, you then need to think of the biggest pain point that is attached to that certain sector. So, for example, how to create a high-ticket offer, right? That's just the subject. Now, the actual thing that we'd create the lead magnet of this, for example, you could have how to create a high-ticket offer that can 2x your revenue. That would be the actual headline, for example. Again, you'd be split testing these with multiple headings, and I'm just making this on the fly. But let's say landing pages, right? How to create a landing page for a high-ticket offer. Again, that's the topic. What's going to be the biggest point? Okay, how to build a landing page that 2x's your call booking. Simple. And again, sort of the framework when you're building your title, it just needs to be how to do X that gets you X, and really simple. So again, we've got here how to use email marketing for a high ticket offer. That's the topic. What's the biggest pain with email marketing? Well, again, you could probably say open rate, right? Let's just go, or we could say click-through rate, CTR. So how to make emails that 2x your CTR on a high ticket offer. Boom, that's it. Okay, last one, because I'm sure you guys are actually understanding this now. How to close sales calls on your high ticket offer. That's the topic. So five-step framework to close on your high ticket offer, in brackets, 3x revenue. So these would be the actual titles that you could actually have on the graphic, for example, for the ad or for the lead magnet, whatever it's going to be. Now, you're probably all sat there thinking, well, you've just done that on your offer and your business is an agency. I know I'm not an agency. I have a high ticket offer. Well, just to prove that, this can be translatable into any business, I'm going to do this live for you right now. So let's take the example of we are a fitness influencer. Again, I'll just use a fitness offer because it's the most common one. So we'd have fitness offer. Now, again, what are some of the pain points associated with being in fitness, or the topics, shall we say? So the topics, you've got fat loss. Okay. Another topic we've got is building muscle. Another topic we've got is diet. Another topic we could have is calorie counting. Another one we could have is mindset. And again, I'm sure you could think of more. Like I said, I'm not a fitness influencer, so I'm just building these off the cuff. But so, for example, I suppose we could actually have a fitness routine as well here. So I'll put that in. We'll just call it exercises for ease of my typing. So there we go. So we have right here our topics. Now, again, how do we turn these into a lead magnet? Okay, so it's going to be how to lose 10 pounds of fat per month, for example. Building muscle, how to add 10 kg of muscle in, 3 months. Diet, the diet to lose 10 kg of fat in 3 months without starving yourself. You can even have it as the inverse, so the diet to gain 10 kilograms of muscle, for example. But again, I'm sure you understand the process here, and I will actually carry on. So the 5 best exercises to grow X, Y, Z, for example. Mindset, how to achieve a mindset that will, or we could have, we can keep that. How to achieve a mindset that will allow you to get a 6-pack. I mean, that one's not as good, to be fair, I'll be honest, but like I said, you guys get it. Calorie counting, the exact calorie / diet, counter thing, like you give them a diet plan and a calorie counter on Excel, and that's the lead magnet. So again, I've just done it right there for a fitness offer, super easy. Again, you could probably think of a bunch more, but whether you do email marketing, whether you do Forex mentorship, whatever it is, this applies. You literally just think of the topic and then break it down into a pain point. Now, some of the things that you need to ask yourself as well while you are actually creating the lead magnets is really simple. It's just 4 things. Would I pay $50 for this? And if the answer is no, chances are people aren't even going to want to download it in the first place, because even though it is free, people think that people just want free things all the time. It's like, yeah, people do like free things, but they also like quality things. They also like valuable things. And if your lead magnet, you wouldn't pay $50 for it, chances are the mass amount of people aren't going to want to buy it or download it, for free. So would I pay $50 for this? The other one is, can they action this today? So it needs to be something that they can ingest today, and then apply today. Same day application. There's no point giving someone a free lead magnet, but it takes them 2 weeks for them to implement it. They've already forgot about you, and they're never even going to use the lead magnet. Next, we've got authority. Did I build authority in the first 30 seconds? So again, ask yourself that question. And literally, guys, you should have this as like a checklist. After you complete, before you make every single lead magnet, you need to ask yourself, how can I make sure that I hit these 4 goals? And then correct. Is the information correct? Because the thing is, right, it's all good making lead magnets, but if the information in them isn't correct, then the person's going to try to do what your lead magnet's about. They're going to fail, and then you've just burnt a lead for life. So again, make sure that the information is correct. Now, if you're selling a high ticket offer, you probably are a master in your field. So I imagine the information is correct. Now, that's all the theory covered. So I'm actually going to show you one of our lead magnets. So let me just click this link right here. So here is one of our lead magnets for our intro offer: how to launch a 6-figure acquisition funnel for your high ticket offer in 4 minutes. What you will get out of this: in 4 minutes time, you will know everything you need to launch a funnel for your high ticket offer. It takes 48 hours to launch and will make you a 5 to 6 figures every month from a marketing system that is self-funding. Is that worth 4 minutes of reading? In brackets, also, we are sick at making memes. Just a little bit of a joke. So again, I'm not going to read out every single slide, but if we remember on the Miro in the 4 questions, have I built authority straight away? Well, in my opinion, yes, I have, because I've told you that in 4 minutes, you're going to be told something that is going to take in total 48 hours to launch, and is going to make you 5 to 6 figures every single month. Is that worth 4 minutes of reading? 99% of people are going to say yes. So I've built the authority. Now again, introduction, 30-second read with a graphic. Again, another graphic here of what the system is. 3 reasons why you need to do this: 1.5-minute read. Little bit of text, graphic, little bit of text, graphic, little bit of text, graphic. What do I do from here? Well, to put it simply, you just follow these exact steps and launch in 2 days. Below, we will explain each of these steps in 2 minutes. And to be honest, you could genuinely launch this in about 6 hours. I say 2 days because people don't work as fast as me. But yeah, offer creation, 30 seconds. Organic post, 1 second read. Product page, 1 minute read. Paid ads, 15 seconds. Email and upsell, 15 seconds. Launch and optimize with another graphic, the end. That's literally it, guys. Super, super easy. If you were to read this, it would take, about 4 minutes. Call it 5 if you are a slow reader and you like to look at the graphics. And then at the bottom, we've got a CTA to book a call. Now, I'm actually going to provide this gamma in the link in the description. So if you actually want to see this gamma for yourself for a bit of inspiration, then that's completely fine. Again, to sort of summarize, you've got a lead magnet framework that I've given you. So follow this. You also have the actual structure of how you can build the lead magnets and get the ideas for them for any offer. You just go for what is your offer, what are the main topics, what are the main pain points associated with those topics. When you create any lead magnet, you need to ask yourself, would I pay $50 for this? Can they action this today? Did I build authority in the first 30 seconds? And is the information correct? Guys, that's a 10, 12-minute video of how you can create 6- and 7-figure lead magnets that are going to scale your high ticket offer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you want to see another video, I actually broke down the entire funnel that we use at Neovate and that we apply to every single one of our clients that are part of our high ticket accelerator program. So guys, if you want any more information on this, feel free to book a free strategy call so you can learn about more of what we do. But that is it. Zidane over and out.